Good afternoon, all of you. Today's our lecture topic is Bresanin's circle algorithm. That mm, Before that, yesterday's lecture that we have discussed on Bresanin's line drawing algorithm. Before that, we have discussed on DDA line drawing algorithm and DDA circle drawing algorithm. So, what are the disadvantages of DDA line drawing and circle drawing algorithm? There we need to calculate more mathematical calculations are there. But in Bresanin's only integer calculations. So this is one of the advantage of Bresanin's. So that's why we are going to use Bresanin's line drawing algorithm and Bresanin's circle drawing algorithm. See that one I have drawn one that is the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and this is my starting point of the circle that I have taken some part of the circle. Okay, so this is the x and y is my initial point P. Okay, this is the x and y is my initial point P, and what are my upcoming points is xn plus 1, that is xn plus 2. Suppose I am increasing to the x direction, means what? I have to add 1 1. So suppose that goes to this step, then that will become xn plus 1, here xn plus 2, here xn plus 3, xn plus 4. Likewise, you have to proceed. Now, in downward direction, suppose I have considered in the downward direction, that is the decrement. So in the decrement, how we are going to use the decrement value? Here yn minus 1, yn minus 2, yn minus 3, yn minus 4. Now, suppose my starting point is x and y. I want to start this circle from some point. So that point I have considered x and y. So what are my upcoming points? A and B. These are my upcoming points. So what is the upcoming points? Coordinates. A coordinate is what? Xn plus 1 yn, and this B coordinates xn plus 1 yn minus 1. These are the coordinates. So what this Bresanin told that whenever the next coming point is there, so that you have to select either upper one or the lower one, depend on the distance between these. That is the D upper and D lower. So what is the D upper and D lower? That yesterday we have calculated as a decision parameter. So you have to take the decision which one is the less, that you have to select. Okay, which one is the less, that you have to select. Now just start, either you have to select A coordinates or the B coordinates. That is, you are going to use this one algorithm, from that you are going to define. Now come for what is the equation of the circle. Here see, that is the equation of the circle is what? X square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the circle, any general circle that I have put. So that is the equation of the circle. Now that I am going to consider as a function. Suppose that I have put in the function, that is f circle is my function with xy. Okay, this is xy, this is the center of the circle, and r is already constant. So I have r kept this side, right hand side. So what is the f of circle equations come? X square plus y square minus r square. X square plus y square minus r square. Now, what are my the next point is there? That is the A point. So suppose I have said this is the point A and this is the point B. Both are from the circle. So that I have to consider. Therefore, f of A. This A point. This is f of A. This is the xy. That is the center. Now what I say? Therefore, f of A. So what is the f of A going to come? F of xn plus 1 yn. Why? Because of what is the coordinates of A? Coordinates of A is xn plus 1 yn. Because of this the A coordinate. Now put this coordinate in your equation. Is equal to xn plus 1 whole square plus yn square minus r square. Now suppose I have say f of B also on the circle. F of B also on the circle. So what is the f of B coordinates? The B having the coordinates xn plus 1 yn minus 1. So that will become f of xn plus 1 yn minus 1 in a function of a circle. Now suppose this is the point. So what is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square minus r square. So that I have put x square as an xn plus 1 whole square plus yn minus 1 whole square minus r square. So these are the two equations I have got when I am going to put these 2 points on the circle equation. Suppose I have say my starting point. This is my starting point. I have started somewhere. That is the x1. So that is my starting point is x0 y0. This is my xn yn. And suppose I have starting point with the x0 y0. And that x0 y0 I have considered 0 and r. Suppose 0 and r. Because of I have to start somewhere. So I have to consider some points. And what I have at starting, I have only the radius and the center. So from that center, I have considered 0 is my x0 value and y0 value is the r. So what is my p0 become? That is starting pixel. So that is starting pixel, p0 become 0r. Then suppose this 0r is on the circle and this a and b both are on the circle. Can I put this 0r in my a and b equation? Yes. So f of a becomes what? 0 plus 1 r. See, xn is what? Becomes 0 and plus 1. This is my plus 1. Now, what is yn? y0. y0 is r. So that become r. So there is 1 r. 0 plus 1 r. Now, suppose I have put the square. So 1 square plus r square minus r square going to cut and only 1 square. 1 square is the 1. Understood? Now, this is for f of a. Now, if f of a I have already told, so why not the f of b? Yes, f of b also there. So now f of b you have to put. So what becomes f of b? 1 comma r minus 1. Why? See, the xn is what is the xn value is a 0. Okay, and what is the yn value? R. Now, suppose I have say 0 plus 1 whole square. So that is become what? 1 square. 1 square is what? 1. Okay. This is the xn plus 1. 1. Now, yn, I have already told you that is r. R minus 1. So this is yn r. So this is 0 plus 1. Okay. And this is the r minus 1. Now, put this point over here. That is become 1 square plus r minus 1 whole square minus r square. Correct? Means that you are going to put in the circle equation. So what is the, after solving this 1 square become 1, r minus 1 whole square. So r square minus 2r plus 1. Correct? R square. Suppose I have extract this r minus 1 whole square. So r square minus 2r plus 1. So that you have solved r square minus 1 plus 1, 2. So that will become 2 minus 2r. After solving f of a, f of b with the x0, y0 is my initial point that I'm going to put over there. And then that has become f of a become 1 and f of b become 2 minus 2r. So what they have told? So that you have to make the subtraction. So that the subtraction, not the sum, that you are going to perform the sum. Sum of this f of a, f of b. So what the f of a, f of b going to come there? 3 minus 2r. So are not going to subtract, sorry, that you have to make the sum. Sum of these two, f of a plus f of b. So that is become 1 plus 2 minus 2r. So this is the 3 minus 2r. So what this 3 minus 2r? This is my first decision parameter is dp. Suppose I have taken one variable dp 3 minus 2r. This is the my first decision parameter. Correct? Now, what we have done here, just to consider one simple equation of the circle. Then we have considered these 2 points, those are on the circle. Put this point in a circle equation, that the equation is x square plus y square minus r square. Then I have considered one x0, y0 point. This is my 0r. Suppose our starting point is what? 0 and r. Put this point on a f of a, f of b equation. So after solving this, f of a become 1 and f of b become 2 minus 2r. Make the sum of these two, so that become f of a plus f of b is 3 minus 2r. So what is this 3 minus 2r? Is my first decision parameter. So compare this with the value. Means what? Sum of a and f of b. Means what? I need to calculate the next point. Okay. So how? Suppose d old. What is the d old value? That decision parameter old is that you have already calculated is less than equals to 0. Then what? See, sum of f of b already we have calculated, the old value we have calculated, and this value is less than equal to 0, then what? The new value you can calculate. You understood it? That we have taken, that is a sum plus. That d old is less than equal to 0. Okay. Then d new value you can calculate. What is the d new value? F of a. So that's C. The previous image and this image you have to see. So that's the difference. Here I am passing this x and y n. Now I am going to pass in A. Suppose I am passing on the A my circle. I have selected the A. So that time this is my x of n A, and this is the xn plus 2. This A become and this is B. Means this point I have selected. Okay. So how I have selected this point? Because of the decision parameter d old is less than equal to 0. That's why I selected this. When suppose I have selected this point. So what are my next point? A or B? What is the coordinates of A and B? Xn plus 2 yn, and this xn plus 2 yn minus 1. These are the coordinates of A and B. Now suppose this less than 0, then I have to consider this d new value. See, decision parameter old is our dp 3 minus 2r. Okay. Now I need to calculate d new. So for d new, again f of a, f of b, both you have to make the sum. So f of a, f of b, suppose I have to make the sum. What is the value of f of a? Xn plus 2 comma yn. See, xn plus 2 comma yn. And what is the value of f of b? Xn plus 2 yn minus 1. Xn plus 2 yn minus 1 because b value. Now put this in your x square plus y square minus r square equation. So that is the d new value. Okay. Xn plus 2 whole square plus yn square minus r square. Here again xn plus 2 whole square plus yn minus 1 whole square minus r square. Now we need to subtract. For next decision parameter, we need to subtract d new minus d old. So d old value this one and d new value this one. Now suppose I have put the subtraction like this. Okay, suppose I have put the subtraction in a square bracket that I am writing. See, so see, this is my entire what d new value minus in the square bracket I have written my d old value. Now solve this. After solving, what I have got after solving this, I have reached which point? D new minus d old is equal to 4xn plus 6. You have to solve. So you can solve this. Xn plus 2 whole square means xn square plus 4xn plus 4. Is it correct? No. You have to do what this? Xn square plus 2xn plus 4 plus y square minus r square plus again xn square plus 2xn plus 4 plus yn square, okay, minus 2yn, okay, 2yn or 1yn, that is the 1yn plus 1 minus r square. So these are you have to extract by using your a plus b whole square formula. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square, like this. So that you have to solve entire equation, and after solving it, that become d new minus d old is equal to what? Xn plus 6. So what my next decision parameter? D new is equal to d old plus 4xn plus 6. So this is my new decision parameter. When this new decision parameter is going to come? When I am going to select this my xn plus 1, means this value. Suppose I have selected this one, means this condition is false. When this d new value is going to occur? At the time is what? If d old is less than is equal to 0, then this is my decision parameter. So that time I have to increase x and y as it is. I have to increase x. See, here the x value is increasing, but y value is increasing? No. So here only you have to increase the x. But suppose I have selected this one, so I have to increase x and y both, and then I have to select this a value become, and this is the b. So d old less than is equal to 0, correct? That time when I am going to solve it, so my next decision parameter is going to come is what? dp plus 4xn plus 6. Now once you solve this, suppose this condition false. If d old is greater than 0, if d old is greater than 0 means what? I have to select which point? This one. So what is the coordinate of this point? Xn plus 1, yn minus 1. So this is my next step. See, that I have put this diagram. Same diagram. Just I have carried first, I have used the xn point, and then I have selected the point is what? This xn plus 1, okay, yn minus 1. Now I have to take the decision whether I have selected this point or this point. See, I am going to repeat again this from the starting point. So those are joining the late, so they can understand it. So this is my Bernoulli circle. Okay, that x square y square minus r square is the circle equation that I put in the f of circle function f of xy. Now I have considered these 2 points. This is my starting point A and B. Suppose my circle is going to pass from this point, so that point I have to put on the circle equation. So that circle equation become f of a xn plus 1 yn. So this equation is going to come xn plus 1 whole square plus yn square minus r square. Again, f of b is what? Xn plus 1 whole square plus yn minus 1 whole square minus r square. Now, suppose I have to starting somewhere. So I have to consider one starting pixel. Suppose my starting pixel is 0, 0, 0. So that is p0, x0, y0. So that I have to consider 0, r is my starting value. Now put this f of a and f of b, this point. So what is 0, r? This is the xn and yn value replaced with the 0, r. So this is going to come then. So once you solve this, this is the f of a and f of b. Make the sum of these two so that you got 3 minus 2r. This is my first decision parameter. Now this first decision parameter is suppose less than 0. This less than is equal to 0. This is my first decision parameter d old, that I have considered d old. So that time you have to select this one xn plus 1. Now once you selected this, then you have to calculate the d new value. So d new value is what? These are my coordinates a and b. So what is f of a, f of b? What is the coordinate? Xn plus 2 yn. Xn plus 2 yn minus 1. Put this point in equation f of. Now then d new is going to come. So that is by using a equation of the circle. Now what? You have to subtract it from d new to d old. Put the d new value over here first and then d old value over here. May solve this equation. Then you got, after solving, d new minus d old is equal to what? 4xn plus 6. So this is my new decision parameter. What is dp is equal to dp plus 4xn plus 6. So this decision parameter on which condition? If d old is less than is equal to 0. So d old is what? First decision parameter dp 3 minus 2r. Either 3 minus 2r is less than is equal to 0. That time you have to calculate this one and increment x, y as it is. Now proceed for the next one. If not less than 0, it is greater than 0. That time which point you have to consider? Xn plus 1, yn minus 1. This is my passing point. But what is my next upcoming point is that a xn plus 2, yn minus 1. Here xn plus 2, yn minus 2. Now this is the point sum of a plus b. This is my d old value already you have taken. Now if that greater than 0, then what is my d new? So this is my d new. This is d new from this point. So that point is a and b put over here. That is xn plus 2 comma yn minus 1 plus f of xn plus 2 yn minus 2. See, these are the b point. This is the a point coordinate. Y you have to decrease and x you have to increase. Okay, y you have to decrease by 1 and x you have to increase. Now then solve this x square plus y square minus r square. So these are the equation of your circle. Put this point on that equation so that become xn plus 2 whole square plus yn minus 1 whole square minus r square, okay, plus xn plus 2 whole square plus yn minus 2 whole square minus r square. Now once you have put this point over here, so then d new minus d old, that I have put in normal, and in bracket I have put the old value. Solve this. That you have to extract it and solve it. After solving, what you got? that is d new minus d old is equal to 4xn minus 4yn plus 10. So what is the d new values become what? D old plus 4xn minus 4yn plus 10. So you may say that is the dp is equal to dp plus 4xn minus 4yn plus 10. This is my the decision parameter old if greater than 0. If the d old is greater than 0, that time you have to increase both x and y one value. So this is all mathematical calculation that I have explained. This is the all mathematical calculation. From this you can write the algorithm. So what is the algorithm then come? Suppose I have put in the simple C code or the C++ code, you can read the value of x, y and r. Okay, read the value of x, y and r. That is the xy center of the circle and r is the radius. Now put x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to r. Correct? X1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to r. Now what is my first decision parameter? D is equal to 3 minus 2r. So that I have written D is equal to 3 minus 2 star r. Means what? This is the 3 minus 2r. This is my first decision parameter is there. Now this I use the display function. In a display function I have to pass xy, x1, y1. This is my xy center of the circle and x1, y1 is my new value that I have initialized to 0 and r that I have to pass. So what is this A2A symmetry? A2A symmetry that I have already told you that the A2A symmetry divide your circle in 4 quadrant, then divide into the diagonal and you have to solve each quadrant part. Suppose the A2A symmetry I have to explain in suppose on a paintbrush. So see, so that the Bresson circle drawing A2A symmetry, suppose I have considered this is my circle, so I have to consider in the red color. So this is my circle, correct? How we are going to define the A2A symmetry? So that you have to divide the circle into first what? 4 part, okay? And this 4 part again you have to divide into again 4 part by using a diagonal. First of all x-axis, y-axis, and then again this diagonal. So this is my become 8. So what is the coordinate? Suppose I have to say any coordinate. Okay. So that coordinate is what? This is my coordinates over here. X0, Y0. Here, then I have considered this YX. Here minus value. Correct? This is also the minus value. Now, suppose you need to draw your circle. So that time you have to complete this part of the circle first. And then repeat this part for your 8 way. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8. So that's why it's called as the 8-way symmetry. Now that I am using over here, that is the display function is nothing but 8-way symmetry. So that's why I have divided this point C. So that is the circle is going to draw like this from X position and this is the Y X position. Now what the next? You have to put this in the while loop. While x1 is less than y1, yes, because of x1 value is what? 0, y1 value is what? R. So x1 always less than y1 because of you have to draw the circle with the radius must be greater than 0. Suppose the radius is 0, then we are not going to draw the circle. So that is always less than 0. So if this decision parameter is less than is equal to 0, if the decision parameter you have calculated is less than is equal to 0, then what my next decision parameter? D is equal to D plus 4 star x1 plus 6 and x1 plus plus. Okay, so that you have to put in the step. I have not written in the steps, so you can put in the steps also. So if D less than is equal to 0, then D is equal to D plus 4 x1 plus 6 x1 plus plus means I have to increase only x direction. Else means D is greater than 0. Then D is equal to D plus 4 star in bracket x1 minus y1. In bracket x1 minus y1 is that you have to multiply with the 4 plus 10 and x plus plus means you have to increment x and y1 minus minus, y1 minus minus, and then that you have to pass in the display function. So here I have completed my if condition. See, if opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, else opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Okay, and in the while loop at the end you have to type this display function again. So this display function is nothing but the A2A symmetry function. I have used here a display as a name. You may use the show, okay, show as a function. That name you may going to change it. Then close this while loop. So only these 5 or 4 lines is for your complete Bresanim circle algorithm. Now, what is the A2A symmetry? See, suppose this is my A2A symmetry that I have put. Now, that A2A symmetry function. Okay, so how can I write the A2A symmetry function? Okay. The display is my A2A symmetry function. So what are the parameter xy? This is nothing but the center. X1, y1, that is the point that I have considered on the top. X1, y1. So in opening curly bracket, I have to use the put pixel x plus x1, comma y plus y1, 15. 15 is stand for the color. So put pixel is the function that having a 3 parameter x plus x1, comma y plus y1, 15. Now I have to repeat this 4 times, means plus plus minus plus plus minus minus minus, means once I have kept this value, so that I have to plus plus minus plus plus minus minus minus, correct? Now then I have to replace this value x1 with the y1 and y1 with the x1, means value is going to swap. Now again I have to repeat, that is a plus plus minus plus plus minus minus minus. This is the 4 and this is the 4 become 8, and this is the A2 symmetry complete. So same things you may write in the C code or the C++ code, okay, and then close the curly bracket. So you may write in a C or C++, only you need to initialize an iostream.h, or suppose you write in the C language, then you have to use stdio.h value. So any question here? Now understood? Just turn on your mic on. All the students. Khushbu, any question? Eknath? Yes? Because of
No, sir.
no, you understood it? Are you able to implement the program on this in C++ or C language? I am going to circulate this PPT. Yes? Any part that I have to repeat again? Eknath? Is
Sir,
there,
again explain.
hello? Is there any part that I have to explain again? Which part I have to explain? Yes, tell me so that I have to.
Sir, this slide.
Yes.
The put pixel one file slide no explain once na.
Okay, put pixel. Okay, okay. So see, this is the A2A symmetry that we are used. Okay. So display x, y, x1, y1. So when I am going to call this function call with this parameter 4, x, y, x1, y1. X, y is nothing but the center of the circle. X1, y1 is the what? Initial point. What the initial point? X1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to r. So these are the parameter you have to pass while calling this function display. Once you call this function, then the functions comes over here. So x, y, x1, y1. Okay. So I have already told you by using this. 8-way symmetry. Means these are the my points. Okay. So first, any circle algorithm is going to draw is what? This much part. Once this part they have developed, so this part I can repeat up to how many times? 8 times. So first this 4 point, okay, suppose this is the first 4 point I have repeated, and then again I have repeated remaining 4. So that's why it's become 8. So see here also the 8, put pixel first 4 part and put pixel with the again 4 part. But how? So this is a x plus x1. X is what? Center of the circle. X1 that I have considered the value 0. Y again, the center of the circle Y value, and Y1 is R. Now, X plus X1, Y plus Y1, 15. These are the 3 parameters you have to pass in the put pixel. And then you have to make over here plus, plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus, minus. Correct? Now, what I have to do? Again, I need to calculate 4 remaining parts. So that I have to replace x1 with the y1 and y1 with the x1. So then become plus plus, minus plus, plus minus, minus minus. Correct? So that I have repeat again and then close your curly bracket. So what is display function? This display function is going to perform to calculate, first of all, this one is going to calculate this much part, and that have repeated that part with the 8. Means for both plus plus direction, plus minus, minus plus, and minus minus. So that I have covered entire circle. Is it? So that we have passed this function before the while loop one time and then in while loop. So this is the in while loop. How can we pass? Display after else condition. Display in bracket x comma y, that is x1 y1. This is again the 8-way symmetry. So that's why I have put it. And see, this is the 2 diagram I have kept over here. So that the point is going to draw by 1 quarter. And this is the arrow I have put over here. So this is the points, is nothing but the pixel. So that pixel points are placed on a circle. Now, so that's going to complete our mathematical part. Okay, this is the mathematical part we have completed, and the algorithm also completed. So what are the questions I are going to ask on this? First is the question: explain Bressenheim circle algorithm. Suppose the questions come explain, so that time you have to explain the algorithm, how they are going to come, and then you have to write this algorithm step by step. And another question is how write Bressenheim circle drawing algorithm. So that time you have to start with the read xy, r, xy center of the circle, r is the radius, then initialize the point x1, y1, x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to r, then decision parameter 3 minus 2r, then display your 8-way symmetry function and go to this while loop. Okay, x1 less than y1, and if d is less than 0, less than is equal to 0, that time decision parameter increment d is equal to d plus 4, x1 plus 6, that x1 plus plus else decision parameter is greater than 0, that time you have to use d is equal to d plus 4 multiply by x1 minus y1 plus 10, and here you have to increment x1 and decrement y1 because of y1 goes to the downward direction, and again close the curly bracket for else, and then again pass this in the display function xy and x1 y1 and close the curly bracket. So the algorithm question is come, that time you have to write this algorithm only, that may be asked for the 4 mark, or for the 6 mark they are asking explain Bressenheim circle algorithm. So that time you have to explain the previous one that we have calculated with the a and b value, f of a, f of b. Okay, f of a contain xn plus 1 whole square. Okay, and f of b contain what? That's the b value. So that I am not going to repeat again because of I'm going to share this PPT. So that time again you have to write it on your page and solve this equation. Okay, so those are the equation I have explained here for next your decision parameter. First decision parameter is 3 minus 2r, and then next decision parameter is what? You have to calculate by using f of a and f of b. So that's all for this lectures now. Now again you have to rejoin. I will explain how we are going to write the program on this C++ program. So rejoin after 1-2 minutes. Okay, I will end this meeting and then again you have to rejoin it.